What if the most elegant thing about your style this year isn't the silhouette, but the color conversation your clothes are having with the room? The right pairing doesn't just look beautiful, it changes the temperature around you. Here are 8 refined color relationships that read expensive without trying and feel as collectible as fine jewelry. Ink, navy plus smoked taupe. Deep navy is the calm heartbeat of a wardrobe. Smoked taupe is the breath that keeps it human. Together they create quiet authority, cool intellect softened by warmth. Under evening light, navy absorbs, taupe reflects. The effect is composure that never feels cold. Truffle browned porcelain ivory. This is richness without noise. Truffle, earthy, cocoa leaning, almost edible, makes ivory look luminous instead of stark. It's the difference between neutral and nuance, the kind of pairing that looks old money in person and photographically flawless on camera. Forest green plus oxidized bronze. A cultured green with a shadowy metallic brown reads like heritage reimagined. Forest carries depth, bronze brings low, candlelit glow. It's romantic without fragility, tailored for rooms with wood, stone and leather, where your color feels right at home. Bordeaux slate blue, not cherry, not navy, this is wine and weather. Bordeaux has soul, slate has serenity. Paired, they say you're serious about beauty. The cool blue reigns in the heat of the red, leaving a finish that's sophisticated, not theatrical. Graphite charcoal plus camel hard and soft, steel and suede. Graphite sharpens the outline, camel warms the skin. This is a boardroom classic turned modern, textbook elegance that still manages to surprise when the textiles have depth. Watch how camel pulls light to the face while charcoal keeps the line immaculate. Aubergine plus ash grey purple grows up when it drops the sugar. Aubergine is midnight with a pulse. Ash is smoke with memory. Together they create an editorial polish, artful, intelligent, quietly dramatic. In shifting light, aubergine reveals brown and red undertones that make the pairing feel alive. Espresso dusty rose, bittersweet in the best way. Espresso grounds, rose softens. The rose must be muted, tea-stained rather than bubblegum, so it whispers sophistication. This duo flatters every season because it balances warmth with gravitas, focus. Midnight blue plus antique gold. Not yellow, not brassy. Antique gold with a patina, the color of old frames and evening concerts. Against midnight, it glows instead of glares. The pairing feels ceremonial without a single shout, and in low light it turns cinematic. What makes these combinations feel expensive isn't just hue, it's the undertone dialogue. Each pair blends one color that absorbs depth, stillness, with one that releases light, invitation. That push-pull creates dimensionality your eye reads as quality before your mind catches up. High twist wools, densely knitted jerseys, brushed finishes. Good materials hold dye differently, revealing the quiet layers inside each color. That's why the same palette can look flat in one piece and symphonic in another. There's also the psychology. Cool leaning blends, ink navy plus smoked taupe, Bordeaux plus slate, project discipline and intellect. Warm anchored duos, truffle porcelain, espresso's rose, project intimacy and ease. Hybrids like graphite's camel or forest bronze do the rare thing. They feel powerful and welcoming at once. And the best part? These pairings carry across seasons because they aren't about trend, they're about tone. If this sparked ideas you can feel as much as see, tell me which pairing just became your signature. We're building a community that notices the beautiful, quiet things, the kind that make a look rid richer from sicked away. If you want more color intelligence, more texture theory, more ways to make your wardrobe look like it was composed rather than collected, you're in the right place. And that's the beauty of color at this level. It isn't just about what flatters the skin, it's about what shapes the atmosphere you carry with you. When you walk into a room wearing ink navy with smoked taupe, you don't just look polished, you become the calm in the storm. When you choose espresso with dusty rose, you project warmth and depth at the same time, a kind of approachable richness that feels rare. Colors have always been emotional architecture. They build space around you. They decide whether people feel invited, intimidated, soothed, or intrigued. The woman who masters color isn't just stylish, she's unforgettable because her presence lingers even after she's gone. What people never tell you is that elegance lives in nuance. Anybody can put on something bright or dark, but the woman who knows how to blend undertones, the cool shadow in a Bordeaux The hidden green in a bronze signals refinement without saying a word. It's not about looking loud, it's about looking inevitable. And this is why color is never frivolous. The most elegant women understand that choosing a palette is choosing a language. Truffle brown with porcelain ivory speaks in heritage and light. Aubergine with ash grey speaks in poetry and thought. Midnight with antique gold speaks in ceremony and permanence. Each duo tells a story about who you are and how you want to be remembered. That's the secret. Classy women don't chase attention with colour. They direct it. They know how to use depth and light, warmth and shadow to shape perception. And once you learn to do that, you stop asking, does this look good? And start saying, this feels like me. These 8 pairings are more than just colours. They are tools. Tools to define, to refine, to distinguish. They turn a closet into a vocabulary and your style into a sentence people can't forget. And that is what makes a woman truly elegant. She doesn't just wear colours, she commands them. Because once you understand colour at this level, you stop dressing for the surface and start dressing for the story. Every combination becomes a decision about what you're saying before you speak. Graphite with camel says, you know how to carry strength without losing warmth. Forest green with oxidized bronze says you honor heritage but live in the present. Bordeaux with slate says you hold passion in one hand and composure in the other. What separates elegant women from everyone else is that they don't just pick colors. They curate relationships between them. They see how one shade anchors, how another illuminates, how together they create harmony. And harmony is what makes people look twice. It's the reason you see someone in the street and think, she looks expensive, even if you can't name a single label she's wearing. This is also why expensive wardrobes always feel timeless. Not because they avoid colour, but because they master undertones. Cheap looks scream in primary shades, refined looks whisper in layered hues that shift depending on the light. That subtlety is what the eye reads as luxury. And here's the truth most people miss. Colour is memory. We don't just see it, we feel it, we recall it, we associate it with moods, with spaces, with entire eras of our lives. That's why when you choose an elegant pairing, you're not just styling an outfit. You're building a memory that others will carry of you. These 8 combinations aren't a rule book, they're a doorway. They invite you to step into a version of yourself that feels more deliberate, more magnetic, more unforgettable. Because when you command colour, you don't just look elegant, you become the definition of elegance for everyone watching. And that's why fall 2025 is the perfect season for this. The world is restless, but your style doesn't have to be. Choose colour like you choose words, with intention, with subtlety, with depth, and watch how people stop seeing clothes and start seeing you.